Want to build a stunning real estate website with dynamic property data using the power of WordPress, Elementor, and the Zillow API? First, ensure you have WordPress installed and Elementor activated. Then, obtain a Zillow API key by registering as a developer on the Zillow website. It's free and provides access to their vast property database. Next, install a plugin that facilitates API integration within Elementor, such as any API or custom post type UI. These plugins allow you to fetch data from the Zillow API and display it on your website. Now, configure the plugin with your Zillow API key and the specific API endpoint for the property data you need. This usually involves specifying parameters like location, property type, and price range. Within Elementor, use the plugin's dynamic content feature to map the Zillow API data fields to your desired website elements. For example, map the API's address field to a text widget or the image URL to an image widget. Customize the design and layout of your property listings using Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match your website's branding. Finally, publish your page and watch as your website dynamically displays real-time property data fetched directly from Zillow, creating a powerful and engaging user experience for potential homebuyers.